What's up? My name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner breaking class where I teach you all the basic moves, steps, and techniques you need to know in order to break. Today's footwork move we're going to work on is a 3-step with a sweeping leg in the air. Before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and have private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box and apply today so we can work together. Alright, so for this video, you will need to understand how to do your basic 3 steps. So if you don't know how to do that, be sure to check out my previous video I did on that before coming to this one. Alright, so for this 3-step variation, all I'm going to do is keep the same technique as my original 3-step, but for my sweeping leg, instead of keeping it on the ground or putting both legs on the ground, I'm going to keep my sweeping leg in the air and landing on my non-sweeping leg. Okay, so starting my left, I'm here. I'm going to do my basic weight change from here. Now, usually for the normal 3-step, I would come feet both on the ground. Okay, so now for this variation, since I want my sweeping leg to go in the air, I'm going to keep that momentum going and then almost like stop at the side and let this left leg kind of catch myself. So as I sweep, I can come here. So from here, you can bend it, keep it straight. It's whatever you want. So it's a little bit tricky, but think whatever leg is not sweeping, that's the one you want to land on. Okay, so starting my left. So this goes left. Weight change. This is the leg I want to land on, so think it's hopping over this leg and then landing on it. Now from here I can continue left straight, right, and again whatever leg you're not sweeping with, which is this left leg, coming around. So I can do the same thing the other way. So if I start with my right leg, same thing, right leg, weight change, and again whatever leg I'm not sweeping with, so that would be this leg here, is going to land on the ground. So this leg is going to be in the air out here. Okay, so let's try that one more time. This goes right, switch, land on your right, and I can continue, right, left, land on your right. All right, so once you have that down, now let's try to put this together with some music. So first A count, I want you to go counterclockwise. For the first 2, do basic ones, landing with both feet. For the second 2, I want you to do the sweeping leg in the air variation. Okay, then we'll switch it for the next A count and go the opposite way. Okay, so starting with the left, so 6, 7, 8, this goes 1, and basic, 2, and basic in the air, pop, pop in the air, and in the air. Now you want to switch it. And basic, and basic in the air, in the air. Alright, so before we jump into the music, go ahead and do me a favor. Like this video, also subscribe to my channel right now, and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop tutorials just like this. Alright, so key takeaways with this one. Again, your basic technique for your 3-step is still there. The only difference here is whatever leg you are sweeping with, we want to keep it in the air when we hit that 3rd step. So again, a little bit tricky, but think whatever leg you're not sweeping with is the one you want to land on. Your sweeping leg should continue and almost stick, almost like a picture in the air. Alright, so I'd love to see you practicing and training this movement, so go ahead and post up a video. Make sure you tag it at Darren R. Wong, and I'll be sure to give you props, shoutouts, and good things like that. Alright, so again, make sure you like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet, and also leave a comment below. Tell me what you liked about it, what you learned from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.